Hello guys, welcome to today's awesome video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make use of the Facebook cities. Although many people don't know how to do this, and it's really weird application that Facebook actually added, which if you're making use of the Facebook notification location, you're actually going to regret using your Facebook location, because anyone can easily know where you are from or where you are right now or the places you've visited. So but this video is for educational purpose, so nobody should abuse these particular features for any reason. Now, in order to do that, let's go ahead and explore our Facebook cities and cities. So go ahead and click on the menu area to open the option, and then scroll down a little. What's Sorry, that should have been wrongly clicked. Now, once you're down here, you can notice where it says see more. Go ahead and click on that. So you can notice this first area that says cities guide. Go ahead and click on the cities guide. And once you click on it, it's going to load up and show you different cities. And at the top, it's going to show you most popular city. The reason why it says is most popular city is because your friends live in this area. So where you have your most friends, that's where it's going to show you the most popular city. And if you notice below, it can tell you that Victor, Cassie, and 439 people, 439 other friends have been here. So that means they are the most popular city depending on the person that is viewing them. Because my account is from Nigeria, and most of my friends are from Nigeria, and they are from Lagos State. So if you notice, it's actually saying Lagos. When you scroll, you can see more cities: Bangkok, London, Mexico, Dubai. So, and you can still scroll to see more of it. So whichever city your friends are from. And then again, guys, if you notice, it's not showing any location from here. The reason why is because there is nobody that is actually from this location from my friend, or maybe they are hiding their identity, because I can see one person from New York for some reason. Maybe some people are changing their IP addresses or so. But either way, let me show you guys how to work this out and to see where your friends are visited. So let's go ahead and click on Lagos. So when you click on that particular location, just go ahead and scroll down a little, and then you can see restaurants, nightclub, attraction, and cafes. You can see so many other things, but let's scroll down. This is what we actually want to see. These are our friends, these are their pictures, these are their names, and any of them, you can go ahead and click on any of them to see the places they visited in Lagos. Then from there, you can be able to trace this person or to locate your friend for any reason, which it might be. Now you can see the place the person have visited. Maybe the person is since the person have visited a Redeemed church, maybe the person worships with Redeem, and that means the person is a Christian. So now you can see the person's address and all those stuff. Then there are so many other things, and the hotel the person have visited. Actually, the reason why it's showing all this is because the person visited this area while turning on their location. So it actually exposes the person's location where the person have visited, and you can also see more of your friends location which they visited by scrolling down to the restaurant they visited, and you can also click on the nightlife which they've shown. But anyway, that's not actually what I want to show you guys. So let's go ahead and scroll back up, and you can still see that if you click on all friends, you can see verities and all their names and address. So you can go ahead and still do the same thing by clicking on their image to see more option which they've got. I think my internet is a bit slow. So this is how to do it. This is just how to. I really apologize to the owner of the account, but I'm really sorry. So this is just a tutorial because I didn't mean any harm to anybody. So if you still scroll down, and most of these people, I don't think I have friends in those locations. So click on Bangkok, and then you're going to see your friend which are from Bangkok. And if you click on them, you can see the places they visited, if the person actually visited anywhere. So the person visited one place in Bangkok, which is cool. So you can use this to check or discover anything you want, or to see who is closer to you, or close to your environment. So hopefully this is just a tutorial based video. Hopefully it helps someone to achieve something today. And thank you for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Trostanley from TS Tech Talk. I really appreciate if you do give me a subscribe and thumbs up for this video, and please leave your comment below for any question. Thank you for watching. And also I would appreciate if you need a video, just make a request on the comment area.